Hello everyone, this is Oren from Financially Fit. As I was just about to record a video telling you that Gbpjpy was going to shoot up. Guys, honestly, I'm sitting here marking up my charts, about to release this, telling you that Gbpjpy was about to rise. I created my left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder. Guys, as you can clearly see, before this candle just spiked up, this candle literally spiked up over 100 pips, 122 pips in 1 second. And then it came right back down in another second. Now, I just want to show you guys something. All right, just in case you don't believe me that I entered this trade right here on a buy. All right, I entered this trade right here on a buy because I knew that the market was going up, and I put my take profit here to sell here. Now, why did I put my take profit here? I'm going to show you guys so you can clearly see this, that I'm not making this stuff up. All right. This is the live market that I'm showing you right now. All right. So, I was just marking up my charts and it's crazy that this market shot all the way up here. All right. We got a nice little left shoulder here. Let's go over to the line chart so you can clearly see what we got going on here. We got the market dropping down. This is your left shoulder. The market goes back up, it comes down and creates the head. The market then goes up. This is the move that it made today. Made this nice long move coming down. Okay. And it came back and retested 618. Now you guys know that the 618 is my favorite go-to ratio. Okay. So what I want to show you is, and the reason why I said the 618 is my favorite go-to ratio. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw this, and that's my entry. You guys know that. That's my entry point. So I'm going to draw the market from here to this point because yes and no. Didn't the market come right into this zone today? Now what happened? It shot all the way back down to the 618. That's my entry. Now, I'm going to show you guys something right now. Okay? I started this account. All right? I started this account with $25. All right, just the other day. Just started this account with $25 just the other day. Now, I'm going to show you this entry. So I'm just going to pull this up to here. And it's going to show you my entry. Look at this. Guys, I can't make this stuff up. Here's my entry right here. Okay, here's my entry. I entered at a 0.20 on Gbpjpy right now. Okay, 829 and this time, the computer's telling me 830, 831 or 813, but I entered right here. The market came down and hit the 618, and I'll do that for you again. I'll see if I can delete this part. But if you want to see where your entry is at, you pull it from here and you drop it. Okay? And it shows you, here's my entry and this is my exit. All right? Guys, I'm telling you, this stuff is powerful. Okay, so here's I had a sell limit. I actually had a sell limit, so I had to hurry up and get out of there. I was like, oh, hell no. This market going crazy, but as you can see, my sell limit was actually correct. Okay. Here's a few orders that I did today on GBP. Right up in this area. I just dropped this one down. So I sold right about here. It's crazy because I sold here. The market shot down. No, I actually bought it here. My bad. I'm sorry about that. This was a buy. All right, this was a buy on GJ. So I bought here, took the market up, and I just got out real fast. But can you imagine if I would have just held this buy, all right, all the way up to here? That's 88 pips on a 0.20. Okay, 88 pips on a 0.20. So, guys, it's powerful. This stuff is powerful right now. So anyway, let's get back into it. I'm excited right now because, this market, whatever's going on in the world, I have no idea. I don't even watch the news. Somebody's saying something about a bomb or, China and Japan. I got to pay more attention to what's going on in these countries because I'm entering trades. All right, this market easily, if I didn't have a take profit, it shot up just like that and came right back down. It would have been over. Okay, so like I said, I had my take profit here. This market came up, but we want to know, why did the market stop here? Okay, so we want to know, why did the market stop here? How did I know that the market was going to stop there? Okay, so let's go ahead and put this back up. And let's go ahead and move some of this stuff on here. Okay, how did I know that the market was going to come there? So when I trade, guys, when I trade, I look for certain zones that, happen already. I draw my fibs a lot different than most people. So let's go over to the 4-hour time frame. And I'm just going to go ahead and delete everything off my chart real quick. Go over to the 4-hour time frame. Now, this was the last pivot before the market dropped down. All right, once again, this was the last pivot right here before the market dropped down. This little pivot here. So this was my pivot low. So all I did was I had to figure out, say, okay, this is my last pivot low. So I drew my fibs on the push. All right, I drew my fibs on the push. Watch this. This is going to blow your freaking mind. This is going to blow your freaking mind. Okay, are you ready? Guys, you know my favorite trading zones. All right, 61.8%. These are my favorite trading zones. I trade 618 to 618. You see the 618 here? Okay, check this out. The market went up. This is my new resistance. This is my support. Okay, this is my resistance. This is my support. All I did was trap the market. Trap the market. I got tired of being trapped by the market, so I learned how to trap the market. So all I did was trap the market. So when I trapped the market, I waited for the market to break out. Remember, this is a 4-hour time frame. The market to break out. Now, when this market broke out of the zone, it created a nice inverted head and shoulder. Left shoulder. Look at this market here. You see how I brought this from this pivot here and pushed the market up? Notice how the market came down and hit this 1618. Created a new support, hit this 1618. It's something about that 618 number. Hit that 1618, bounced up, okay, bounced back up, came back down, hit the 200. The 200 is a new support. Okay, no problem. All right, so we hit that 200, came back up, boom, hit that 618. We broke out of the 618. Now we're retesting. So all the market is doing is the same thing in the reverse order. All right, so it came down, hit the 618, retest, dropped down. This time it broke out from the 1618, retest, and rose all the way up. But look where your take profit is at. Your take profit right here at that 618. Perfect exit, perfect entry. So you're probably asking yourself, what level is this? So when you draw your fibs from the bottom, you draw your fibs from the bottom because this was the most recent. Okay, this was the most recent high right there. When you draw your fibs from the bottom, what level do you see right there? 618. So this is the reason why I knew that the market was rising. Guys, if you don't see the potential in trading the forex market, most people say it's gambling. Well, I want you to go to Atlantic City and predict. Predict. Go to Atlantic City, go to Vegas and predict. What I'm doing right now is not just predicting. It's an educated prediction, knowing exactly where the market is going. But it doesn't happen all the time because as you can clearly see, when this market came up and hit this zone, boom. Now, I'm going to tell you something. GJ is going to continue to rise. GJ is going to continue to rise. It's going to keep spiking, spiking, spiking. Now, if you remember, if you pay attention to the rules, this is still, okay, this was my support here. Let's go ahead and get this out of the way. This is my support here. All right, let's go ahead and just put all of this inside of a box. Put all of this inside of a box. Perfect. Boom, 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 boom. How many times did we hit this zone here? Let's go ahead and make this zone black. The question is, how many times do we hit this zone here? We came up after breakout 1, 2, 3. If GJ comes back up, okay, if GJ comes back up, let's go ahead and draw some fibs. I'm going to draw some fibs. It's going to blow your mind real quick. And we're using this on the 4-hour time frame. All right, let's go ahead and draw some crazy fibs. All right, boom. Bear with me for a second. I love to mark up my charts like this. All right, this right here is super, super duper. Now I know this right here is gonna make a few traders say, what the hell is Oren doing right now? Oren, what are you doing, man? What are you doing, man? What the hell, Oren? So now we see, you can clearly see the inverted head and shoulder. Market goes up, come down. Boom, market comes to that 618 right there. Okay, this 618 and also this 618 over here. So boom, the market comes back down. You see this 618 over here, 618. I want to see GJ go up to here. Okay, that's my prediction on GJ. That's what I want to see it rise to. Because something is going on that I want to see GJ go here. Honestly, guys, I'm going to tell you, honestly, I want to see GJ retest with all this crazy news going on. I want to see GJ retest Brexit. And I did a post about this a long time ago. If GJ goes up right now, we're talking about 285 pips. Even if it continued to spike up, that's over 285 pips right there. Okay, so I'm not even going to play with the market no more right now. I'm going to bring my lot size down. Because trust me, I'm going to bring my lot size down right now because, yo, seeing all this crazy nonsense going on there, you're like, yo, what the hell is going on? I see everybody complaining about Trader's Way. Listen, guys, your broker can't take any more than you risk. Remember that. I'm just going to write this here. All right. Your broker can't take any more than you risk. I'll just put this here for you. Your broker can't take any more than you risk, or than your risk. And the reason why I say that, if you're trading a standard lot size with no clear target and the market shoots all the way up and then the market comes all the way down, guess what just happened to your account? Risk management. Your broker can't take any more than you risk. All right, guys. So I hope this webinar, well, short video was powerful. I mean, I wish I could have created this video while the market was spiking up. It was beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. All right, guys. Anyway, I'm done for the night. Super done for the night. I'll just show you this again. My entry was right here. I'm just going to drag it and pull it up. All right. So my entry was right here. My exit was right there. On that one trade, on that one trade, man, 231 on that trade. Oh man, I'm excited right now because, you know, I just want to see this market come back. All right, so we got a breakout retest. I'm looking to hit this support twice. All right, when the market breaks out of the zone, it retests that same zone a minimum of 2 times to create a strong support zone. All right, to create a strong support zone. All right, so now we're going to start to move in some waves. This is basically the U-turn. All right, so for all my Elliott waivers out there, yo, all my Elliott waivers out there, come on, this is your territory right here. All my Elliott waivers out there, this is your territory. Let's go ahead and put up that 50-period moving average. All right, we're going to go ahead and put that 50-period moving average up there. Boom. There we go. All my Elliott waivers. There you go. The market broke structure. Okay, now we're making a U-turn. We're starting to create wave number 1. Wave number 2 coming. Elliott waivers. Come on, guys. Talk to me. We're about to take this market up. If we hit this 6-1, this 161 here, this market could easily do something like this. Okay? And look how beautiful this is. You see this 618 over here? This market could come right back over here to this 618. 618, 1618. Guys, give me your feedback. Let me know your thoughts. Peace. I'm out.